Hey, what's up, everyone? Carolina Kev. We're back out in the garage again. A little bit different layout because I'm going to be working on a friend's car too. So I had to shift everything over to one side of the garage to make room for a buddy's car I got to work on over the next couple of days. But we're going to start taking the trim off the lower part of the front windshield and the grating and all the stuff off the cowl. My plan is to sandblast the areas of the firewall and the footwell where I gotta do some cutting and making some patches. So sandblast those areas so I can see more of where I gotta, how much more material I gotta cut, give a better view of what I gotta look at. So we'll start working on that. Okay, I had already taken these off. I should have did a video, but they're pretty basic. I pull the wiper arms off. If you can see it, that little tab. You go with a pick, pull it, and you just pry up on it, and they pop right off. Same for both sides. So I already took them off. We're going to remove this chrome strip, this rubber strip, the mesh for the cowl. There's a spot over here I'm going to have to sandblast. There's a little Swiss cheese going on right there. And then on the lower section, obviously you can see the car is down on the ground now. I had to put it back down on the skates, like I said, to move it over to make room for another car I got to work on temporarily. So let's start removing some of these screws. I gotta pop this rubber strip off here too. We'll get to the screws we can get at first. They have to come out. That one's not coming out. Sometimes you shock them. Yeah, that ain't coming out. Get to the back of them. Okay, we're back at it. We got those screws out. I didn't realize my mic went dead, so I don't know how much of my breathing you missed, but I wasn't talking much anyway. But now the mic should be working. We're gonna try and knock this because it's all stripped out, rusted. Try and spin it with a chisel. Try and make a little notch. I'm working the way you want it to. There we go. This one. Alright, see, I was able to slide it off. I can do the same thing on this side. Be alright, because then I can cut it. Bingo. Right, so at least if we get this out of the way, then I can drill those screws out. Oh, we got one more over here. This one I got to get all the way out. This one has to come all the way out. So let's try. Don't pick on my little shoemaker hammer either. It works. I had this spin before. I should try cutting a notch. It's turning. Be here until next Christmas, but it's turning. Here we go. Yeah, come on, baby. One more. Yeah. There we go. All right. I believe that's all of them. This should. Bingo. Ooh. That's not looking too good. That's not looking pretty. Dang. I don't want to have to take that glass out. I think we're going to have to. Gonna have to vacuum it out and see. Alright, we're gonna pause for a minute. I'm gonna put all this stuff away. I'm not too happy about this. I really didn't want to take out this windshield, but we'll clean it up and see how bad it is.